I'm the GOAT! Wait, I'm actually the GOAT. Wait, look. I'm actually the GOAT. I caught that shit.
Run that back.
You did not make me a pig? Bro, you took too long. You basically aired me. Wait, this is for Amro. Remember him? Remember him? Wait, he said, wait, leader, it would be so funny if we pulled some hilarious pranks on Ant. Oh, they said they are a real picky eater, so let's make them eat poop? Oh my god! Yo, what is this tweaking? Wait, screenshot this shit. And you're gonna have to eat some poop for this, bro. You're gonna have to eat some poop. Remember Amro? You remember him? What does he mean to you? Everything! Bowl of poop. Ooh, silly. I'm gonna prank you, Wes. Nah. Wait, Marge? Nah, you better get pranked. Nah, I'm fine. Get back to work, bitch. Wake your ass up, boy. Marge, wake your ass up, man. Get to work. Oh, damn. I definitely win. What? Hold on, bro. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, give me all the money. Give me all the money. Numbers. This is actually a pretty fun game, though. I mean, a little fun game mode. Boom. Oh. Wait, oh my god, if he comes back, I'm gonna shoot I'm gonna fucking shoot him. Yeah, boy, yeah. There we go. Red Riding Hood, a true treasure trove, like craziest bunda you've ever seen. Trust me, brother. Yeah, oh my god. Actually, matter of fact, let me just show this. Oh, the Hunters Guild or some shit like that. Like, let's take a look, guys. Like, this was like actually crazy. Oh my god! Oh my god, brother, I'm telling you, wallahi, bro, this is crazy. Like, I'm saying it, oh wow. Like, yeah, like, no, this is crazy. Honest to word, oh my god, I can't, yo, what the fuck, man? But you get what I'm saying? I was gonna read that, and then it got axed. I was like, man, oh, Jesus. Nah, I'm gonna give you on random then. Here you go, boom, boom. I said Zuzu playing Call of the Lamb. Hey, Amber, how did you know, man? I was literally, I can see it in the back of the, I can see it right here. You got Zuzu playing Call of the Lamb. Hello. I also am playing Call of the Lamb. Is that not something crazy? What you think away, Walter? That shit was so funny. I was laughing at that shit in the car. Walter, put your dick away. That's good. Wait, haha, yeah, that's pretty funny. Yeah, you know that TikTok? Haha, that's pretty funny. I love TikTok. That's so silly, some silly stuff. That's pretty funny. No one views. Ah, damn, man. You gotta pick and choose when it comes to TikTok. Some things are funny, but other shit is just fucking mooking thing. Farm? Oh yeah, you guys. Oh, you guys like the farmland saga, right? Here you go. Let's build some farm, right? You guys love that shit. Hello, Moto. Numbers, give me my money. 10 coins now. Give me my money. Numbers. Numbers. Give me my shit, boy. Fox. Yeah, sure. Huh? That's actually hilarious. What color you want? So many colors to choose from. Bro, it's because I feel like if I'm alone, I never usually laugh at my jokes like that. It's just fucking crazy. But when I'm like, I feel like I'm in a room with you guys. I'm in a room with my people, so it's like, you know, I'm saying some shit, and I'll be like, and I'll just laugh at. I don't know. It's a different vibe when I'm streaming. It's a way different vibe. It doesn't feel like I'm alone. But that was pretty sad. Oh no, how do you do this? Okay, let's do this. Oh, so funny. See ya. No, my cold. No, what? No. No. Oh, shit, everybody eat up. Yes, good. My fault. Yes, good. My fault. Shame on me. My fault. Shame on me. Let's hold the doctor in it. Let's go. Boom. Let's hold the sermon. Whew. They was just hangry. My fault. Shame on me. They was just hungry. They was a little hungry. A little hungry. All right, my fault. I get it. I understand. I was hungry as well. Here we go. I know they still love me. I know my people still love me. Nah, that's much better. We in the green. That's much better. There we go. Whew. All right. Wait. Time to go make some. There you go. You can fast. Good. Yeah. You guys like that? Yeah, man. Let's go. Let's fast. How about that? Boom. Everybody, I need y'all to fast. Ah, sheesh. Wait, what the fuck? No. I'm sorry. I was just joking. I was just trolling. My bad. I was just trolling. Literally a troll. Literally a fucking troll. Okay, I'll take that. Shady died! Shady died of old age. What the freaking thing? Oh, wait, no, we're broken now. Oh, dude, yeah, we're broken now. What the fuck? Nah, like, don't put Punisher in the fucking She-Hulk. Cause they're gonna make him corny. A serious character needs a serious lawyer like fucking Matt Murdock. Hey, whoa. Oh! It's not looking good, bro. Oh shit, it's not looking good, bro. It's not looking. Why is my controller tweaking out? Oh my god! No! No! Whoa! Whoa! No, oh my god! No! 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 Come on, die! Whew! Holy shakamole! Imagine being named Sid. What's wrong with Sid? Nah, imagine being named Gilbert. Nah, that's a crime. Motherfuckers named Gilbert burning. They burning the abyss, bro. Being named Gilbert is crazy. No, I don't want to fight anymore. Eugene ass dude. I don't think anybody's being named Eugene anymore in this day and age. Oh, sheesh. It's not even that bad of a name though. Norbit? Oh my god, no, that's not even real. It can't be. No, dude, when attacks 100%. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Like that. Imagine being named Timothy. Was good, Gim. Timothy is fine. Weston is fine. Geronimo is fucking. Geronimo's not even a bad name. That's actually kind of cool, actually. Geronimo. What's up, buddy? Ooh. What is this? Wait, what? Ah, I should have took the other thing. Bartholomew is a rambunctious. That is true. I'm outside watching Shabloons at an amusement park. What? What amusement park? That's what's up. Rah! Rah! Evan hates black people. Evan hates black people. Sorry about that. I died? Sorry about that.
Buenas noches a todos excepto a los que no tocan la hierba where white and bien porque pues no está comiendo mierda pensé que llegamos al punto donde todos están en el mismo.
Mama, whoa. That's what's up, bro. I understood all of that. Thank you, bro. Reader, I'm in love, but Wes doesn't know I... That motherfucker Max is gay. Would you gather 10 flowers from me? I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, bro. I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, bro. Get the fuck out of here. I absolve you. Join me. Oh, he just killed his people. Holy shit. Oh! Oh my gosh. No! No! I'm moving too crazy. No! No. Wait, no! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was moving too motherfucking crazy. Oh my god. Give me the loot. Wait, what's going on? Oh, Ray! Ray! You died. Kai, what the fuck is going into you, bro? Kai, wake the fuck up. Go to sleep, bro. Go to sleep. I got you. You can't die. Ray, no! What the fuck? Ray, I kill you. I kill you in front of all these people. I'm sorry. Yo, what the fuck? Bree just pooped in my fucking kitchen. Dude, there's literally a bathroom, you dog. Fucking idiot. What the freak? Who is you? He has sent many vessels like you, one after the other, they will fall. Wait, who was you again? What? Wes, what the fuck? Bunny. Bro, Bad Bunny is shit. I kill all Bad Bunny fans. Bad Bunny is straight shit. Yo, tell her, yo, Bad Bunny. Do we have any Latinas in the stream right now, bro? You see how fast they left? Oh my god! All the Latinas just left the stream. What the fuck? What the fuck? Ah, Bad Bunny, you'll pay for this. The whole team eating good. Hey, I'd rather eat shit off the floor than eat on the table with a bunch of fakes. Y'all remember that shit with that fat dude? I'm the GOAT! Wait, I'm actually the GOAT. Wait, look. I'm actually the GOAT. I caught that shit. I actually caught that shit. Y'all see that? Oh boy, what? See? That observation hockey, holy shit. Damn, that was awesome. Hood Rich! I'm literally hood. Oh! Wait, no, my controller, no! No, I'm a bitch! No! Controller is bugging out this fucking realm. My controller is bugging out this realm. I'm bugging out this realm. No! I'm tweaking. Wait, no, I'm bugging! My controller, look! I swear to God! Chips! Bro! Nah, bro, imagine she actually does pull up, she's like, bro! I would actually fucking cry. I'd actually be so scared. If she just jumps in the room like fucking, what's the fox ass dude? What's the fox? Foxy the pirate. She just came in the room, she's like, bro, chips. I would fucking shit myself like no other days. Foxy ass dude. Bro, chips. And then runs away. Fucking dookie ass dude, man. That is horrifying to think about. Oh my God. My grandma is loving my grandma, but like I feel like she's definitely scary as fuck to look at night. Like that's not something you would want to see at nighttime. That's some fucking, yeah. The reason why I keep side glancing, I'm not even trying to scare y'all or like trying to hype it up because it's not that deep. But I don't know if it's the game, but I swear I see something like, so the door is like behind you guys, or I guess behind the camera. And there's my bed is right there. There's a window right there, so I can the reflection, bing bong. I can see the reflection, so I can see the door. So I'm just glancing, so I can see the door from the reflection. A lot of y'all didn't know that. It's a fuck. I don't know, man. Let's go. A lot of y'all didn't know that. No, that's Zaza. No, that's smoking ass Zaza. No, that's Zaza. No, that's Zaza. No. No, that's Zaza. I'm done playing this fucking bitch ass game, man.
Watch it fall from the sky.